Hi everyone, I'm JD Hoovener, and welcome to the Bold Today Show, where you, the inventor, entrepreneur, and business owner, get your daily dose of inspiration to make the world a better place. This week, we're going to talk about your dreams, all right? Make them big. And today's lesson, and your challenge today, is to write down as clearly as you can what your goal is. Keeping in mind that you've got to be clear about your goal. You can't just write about, this pie in the sky, $20 million a year, salary or whatever it is, bonus or however much you want to make. It's got to be clear. And I think of one of my mentors, author Napoleon Hill, who studied lots of different successful folks in the 20th century. And he had this theory. In his book he wrote, Think and Grow Rich. And his concept was definiteness of purpose. And so that's what I want you to do today. It's your challenge to write down as much detail as you can what it is your goal is, and describe all the different features, describe the granular detail, and take 10-15 minutes to write it out. All right, today we're going to talk about just that, chasing your dreams and reaching the goal in patent world. That's monetization, baby. That's making money. And so this 5-part series we're going to talk about is how you make money in the patent world. This first lesson is about the Patent Trial and Appeal Board. This is one way that an examiner will get overruled by an appeal from an inventor that's represented by an attorney. It's also the forum that a patent holder will be up against the defense in trying to uphold their patent as valid against the current laws the way they are. So this Patent Trial and Appeal Board, it's also an acronym called the PTAB. The PTAB was created by the American Invents Act. This is also called the Leahy-Smith American Invents Act. And this act was signed into law in 2011 by President Obama. And this act, what it does is it allows this administrative body to have a judicial authority over patent documents. And they're able to arbitrate over 4 main areas. Okay, they cover the appeals. When an inventor or an attorney get kind of fed up with an examiner, they want to appeal to this board. And they review whether the examiner basically did their job or not. There's also a part that's called the trial part. And the trial session looks at whether 2 parties are infringing a patent or not. And the major issues those judges will look at is whether the patent is valid under the law. So there's this appeal portion of the PTAB and the trial portion. The PTAB has a lot of other priorities, cases that they see over the different years. And they've viewed covered business methods as well as the derivation proceedings. And we'll get into those later in later sessions. But if you're out there and you've got a big dream and you're interested in getting into the patent world, know that if you've got any questions at all, get a hold of Bold Patents. We're going to be able to get through all these questions you have in a free 30-minute consultation. And please, if you enjoyed this video, like it, share it on your social media platforms. We'd be happy to hear from you, and comment below. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Go big, go bold.
Go big, go bold at boldip.com.